In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a waitlist on Convertkit. Whether you're launching a new product, course, or service, having a waitlist can be an incredibly effective way to build anticipation and gather an eager audience before your launch. Convertkit, with its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, makes setting up a waitlist simpler than you might think. Let's start by navigating to the Convertkit website. Once you're there, you'll notice the inviting design and straightforward layout, directing you towards the next step, logging in. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to do so. Otherwise, click on the login link prominently displayed on the page. Logging in is as straightforward as it gets. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you input the email address associated with your Convertkit account and the password you chose during registration. Double check your credentials for accuracy to ensure a smooth login process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Your dashboard serves as the command center of your Convertkit account, offering an overview of your subscribers, recent activity, and more importantly, the option to create a new landing page. This is the first step towards building your waitlist. Search for the Create Your Landing Page button. Convertkit has designed its interface to be intuitive, guiding you through the process with visual cues and straightforward instructions. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of creating your waitlist landing page. You might notice that when you click to create your landing page, you're faced with various template options. Convertkit provides a variety of templates to get you started, each designed to cater to different needs and aesthetics. Take your time browsing through the selection until you find the Choose Your Template option, which will allow you to select the perfect backdrop for your waitlist. Among the templates, you'll find the Abby landing page option. It's worth noting that each template in Convertkit is named thoughtfully, often reflecting the design's mood or purpose. The Abby template is known for its clean, professional look, making it an excellent choice for a wide variety of projects. With the template selected, it's time to customize. Click on Edit Name to personalize your landing page. This could be the name of your upcoming product, service, or event for which you're creating the waitlist. A clear, descriptive name is crucial here, as it's one of the first things potential subscribers will see. It sets the tone and informs them exactly what they're signing up for. Finally, with your page named and designed to your satisfaction, it's time to make it official by clicking Publish. This step is your green light. It means your page is now live and ready to start gathering names and emails for your waitlist. You've done it. You've taken an important step towards launching your project with a bang. A few parting tips to maximize your success. Make sure your landing page is clear about what people are signing up for and the benefits they'll receive by being on the waitlist. Whether it's early access, a discount, or exclusive content, having a compelling reason to join can significantly increase your sign-up rate. Moreover, once your waitlist starts growing, engage with your potential customers. Send updates, sneak peeks, or anything that keeps the excitement building up until launch day. Convertkit makes it easy to keep in touch with your audience through automated emails, so take full advantage of these tools to keep your audience warm. Creating a waitlist on Convertkit is as straightforward as following these steps, yet it opens up a realm of possibilities for your projects. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just starting out, building anticipation and gathering an audience before you launch can significantly impact your success. With Convertkit, you've got a suite of tools at your fingertips to make it happen, tailored in a way that suits your unique needs and vision. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, and by following these instructions, you're well on your way to creating a successful waitlist that could transform the trajectory of your project. Here's to your success, and see you in the next video.